Hello, and welcome to GetLicense.com. Today, we're going to talk about C-49 Palm and Tree Contractor License and everything you need to know about the C-49 license and exam. Let's take a look at what is a C-49 contractor license. A C-49 license is issued to a contractor who plants, maintains, and removes trees and palms. There are basic requirements and experience requirements to get this license. You have to be 18 years of age, have a valid driver's license or ID, Social Security or ITIN number, not be currently on probation or parole. The experience requirements, you do need to have 4 years of full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience. And that can be someone like another licensed contractor, employer, supervisor, or business associate. Now, what you can expect on the test, it is a closed book, so there's no reference materials allowed to be in the testing area. The questions on the exam are in multiple choice. There are some mathematical computations, as we'll see in the sample questions, and a calculator will be provided to you. The test is done on site on a computer and the results are immediate. The exam for a C-49 POM and licensed contractor is broken down into 5 major sections. Planning and estimation is about 22% of the exam, tree and palm installation 10%, pruning and maintenance 25%, tree and palm removal 13%, and safety questions come in at 30% of the exam. Let's take a look at some sample questions. What would it cost to dig 21 36-inch box tree holes with 2 employees if each employee can dig 3 holes in 8 hours and the labor rate is $38 per hour? I'll give you a moment to think about that one. And remember, during the exam, you do have a calculator. So the answer is C, $2,128. Would be the labor rate. Question number 2, where's the best place to plant a weeping willow tree? In a xeriscape, next to a parking lot, in a site with damp clay soil, in a location with well-drained soil. In a location with well-drained soil. Question number 3. What are the main characteristics of carabiners used in tree work? A, anodized color and non-self-locking. B, a non-locking and chrome-plated mechanism. C, self-closing, self-double locking and able to withstand a 5,000-pound load. Or D, a single locking mechanism able to withstand a 2,000-pound load. And the answer is C, self-closing, self-double locking, and able to withstand a 5,000-pound load. Now, are you still nervous? What we actually do is we condense all of the study materials into our course and our exams, our practice exams. Those practice exams we give you are online and you can go through them multiple times. What's included in our printed and bound study guide books? They're actually written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You have access to those practice exams and you can go through those exams multiple times. They are traditionally formatted of an ABCD questions. There's also flashcards included. Like I said, you can take that practice test as many times as needed. There's also an additional option for lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you that classroom-like experience. And over 98% of our students are passing with using our study guides. If you're looking at getting licensed as a palm and tree contractor, call today or go online to start learning. That's getlicense.com.